The OBDPEAK A8 4K dash cam is a cutting-edge 4-channel DVR system that brings unmatched visibility and security to your driving experience. Its rotatable front lens and flexible positioning for side and rear cameras ensure full-angle coverage from all directions, capturing every critical moment on the road. With simultaneous 4-channel recording at 4K resolution, it delivers ultra-clear video and lets you view all 4 angles on the main screen at once. You can also customize the display between full screen, 3-split, or 4-split modes to suit your driving preferences. This smart dash cam comes equipped with ADAS features like forward collision warning and lane departure alerts, keeping you aware of road dangers in real time. The blind spot detection system monitors surrounding vehicles and gives timely alerts to avoid accidents during lane changes. It also includes a full-screen reversing camera for crystal-clear rear-view visuals while parking, even in rain or dust. The A8 supports in-app video download and live viewing via Wi-Fi on both iOS and Android devices. Emergency videos are safely stored in a locked folder to prevent overwriting. With 24-hour parking monitoring, a built-in G-sensor detects impact when parked and automatically records any incidents. Plus, the delay recording function compresses long periods into shorter clips, saving space while protecting your car nonstop.